Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, thanks Hollywood to adapt math textbooks into feature-length films, Valvo. And today we're going to continue our conversation about percentages. Now, last time we talked about percentages, we didn't use that many words, and that's a problem. A word problem. Get it? As I've said before, the key to solving any word problem is to first translate the problem into math, and then solve the math problem. Now, when I say translate the problem into math, I mean that almost literally. When we write an equation with mathematical symbols, we are really making a kind of mathematical sentence, where the mathematical symbols are the words, and the mathematical rules and orders of operations are the grammar in this nifty mathematical language. This mathematical sentence can be translated to and from our normal, less precise vernacular. So let's practice translating a percent word problem into a mathematical